Bam.
Oh, no. No.
Bam.
No, no. Oh my god.
It's
No way.
Hello and welcome back. It's currently 8:30 p.m. at night, and tomorrow I'm meeting up with my friend. So I thought it would be cool to learn a couple card tricks. Great start, because I had this really cool deck of cards all the way from Hong Kong. So we're going to try and learn about 2 or 3 card tricks, and I would have successfully learned them if A, the trick works, B, my friend can't figure out how it works. So anyway, let's get into learning. Quick disclaimer before we get into the tricks. The reactions may seem a bit lackluster. Turns out my friend is actually a bit of a magician himself. Pick a card, any card. Oh. Now I want you to show the camera. Now put it back in your deck.
Parents fight. Say it's the wrong card.
What you want, so it's fine. Now I'm gonna shuffle these out in three piles, and you're just gonna tell me which pile your card's in. Okay, that's all you need to do. Okay. Which pile's in?
This one.
Alright. Pile.
This one.
This one.
Yep.
Which pile?
This one.
Okay.
Winner!
It's not looking good. Okay. Now I have to try and guess on this one. So I gotta pay close attention. I'll pay close attention to you. Is that your card?
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn, I'm so good. The magic. Huh?
It's
No.
not reading your mind, John. It's impossible.
Okay, now I'm going to show you the top 6 cards of this deck.
Xavier.
I'm going to show you the top 6 cards of this deck. And I want you to keep one card in mind, keep it in your head, don't tell anything. Don't say it out loud.
Can I show the camera?
I've had this problem in the past.
Just remember one.
Yeah, just remember one. Don't even tell the camera, don't tell anyone. Wait, that's 5. Oh yeah, I can't count. Okay. Now, you've remembered one of them, correct?
Yep.
Is in your mind? So mine's strong. Okay, let's put them in the deck. Like that. Boom. Okay. Now there's different in most card tricks. Like the last one, I got you to pick out a random card in the deck, and I had to get that card. But this one, I'm reading your mind. Now I want you to just get a better image in your head. So I'm just going to show you. You're going to tell me if you see your card.
Yes.
You did.
Yeah, see my card.
Okay, now tell the camera what your card was.
And you?
Yeah, say it out loud.
The 8 of Hearts.
Boom, and there's your card. Look at that. Fantastic. I
Too
read
good.
your mind. It's in my hand the entire time. Up my sleeves. Okay, as you can see, we have everything in its suits. Correct. Now, pick a pile, any pile. It doesn't really matter. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix these up, and then I'm gonna put them back like this. Okay. Now pick a pile. Just quickly, man. Okay, easy. I'm just gonna go boom. Next pile, one of the 2. Great. Boom. Oh, okay, that pile, not that one? Alright, just making sure. Alright, now which pile do you want on top of which one? On top of, okay,
You read my mind.
Now, you can go like this and cut the deck as many times as you want. Please don't do it more than 3 for time's sake, man.
Does it be like a half, or can it be like as many?
No, half. Like cut. You know what cutting the deck is?
Maybe I can't figure out exactly half.
Oh no, it doesn't have to be half. Like, yeah, it can be as many. Just, yeah, like that.
Okay. Easy.
Really, just do one. Okay, I'm cutting you off after this.
Yeah,
Cutting him off. Alright, now we're just gonna do a little bit more mixing up. Boom, 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 boom. Now which one on top of which one? Great. Okay, we'll
No,
go like
other
this.
way.
He knows. Alright, now, how there was this myth where you call out and if you say the name, spell out the names of the suits, you can put them back in order. So that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to start with C, L, U, B, H, E, A, R, T, D, I, A, M, O, N, P. I hope I'm spelling right, although this is going to be tricky. C, L, U, B, H, E, A, R, T, D, I, A, M, O, N, D. And now, because I couldn't be bothered to say it again, we're just going to go like this. Now, we're going to visualize. Okay, you're visualizing them all together.
Yep.
Bam.
Oh, no. No.
Bam.
No, that. Oh my god.
It's crazy.
No way. God damn.
Okay, the first trick is pretty simple. First thing you want to do is have only 21 cards, so just shuffle 21 cards out of the deck. Then once you have that, get somebody to pick that card, put it back in the deck at a random spot. And the next thing you want to do is you want to deal out in 3 piles facing up and tell them to pick which pile the card that they initially picked is in. And then all you do is you put the 3 piles back together, making sure that the pile they pointed at is in the middle. Do that 3 times, and then on the 4th deal, the 11th card, so it'll be in the middle, will be their card. Okay, the second trick's pretty easy too. First thing you want to do is get out all the royal cards from the deck, except for the spades. The spades don't work with this trick. Then what you want to do is you want to put it in 3 piles, put the piles on top of one another. It doesn't matter which order, just make sure there's 3 cards from each suit in the piles. Then after that, let the participant cut the deck as many times as they want to try and mix it up. Then deal the pile out into 2 other piles, put 1 card on top of the other, and then this is where the trick comes in. So you basically just want to spell out the name of the suits. So say C-L-U-B, and then on the last letter of that suit, put the card down. Go from left to right until you have 3 piles. Then go from right to left, starting with club, heart, then diamond again. And then for the last one, don't spell anything out, just put the cards down from right to left again, and they should all be in suit order. Okay, the last video is a little bit more complicated and more specific to one person, so I'm going to link that video down in the description below if you want to go check it out and learn it yourself. It should only take you a night. It's not too bad. Hi guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you next time.